everyone, hello coders, welcome back to Basic Coding. Today I will teach you how to print this is my name and where you from and how old are you. And first of all, I would just like to apologize for my first video kasi mahirap siyang intindihan. So that's all. Let's proceed to the how to code. So first is we should add file. We should name this information.java because we are using the Java language. So the advantage of using Visual Studio Code is that lalabas na siya automatically yung class name natin. So should edit this to big letter I. And then next one is main. So let's see. We just type main. So lalabas na din yung public static void main string. And then that's it. Let's proceed now to the information we wanted to type. So let's type system.out dot println. You should choose println, which means print line. And this one, always remember that the system S should be always capital. So first is we should copy this one para hindi na tayo mahirapang mag-type encode pa. So ika-copy na natin siya. Diba name mo first, that's where you from, age, or gusto nyo pa ng maraming information, you can add here over there. So start with the name. I should use my basic coding as my name. The next one is wherever I'm from. From Philippines. How old am I? So I should just put 1 years old as an example. 1 years old. So okay, run. So here is it. My name is Busy Coding from Philippines, 1 years old. Or should capitalize this info natin. What is my caps lock natin lahat? Busy Coding and then from Philippines. Wala yung caps lock ng 1 years old. Let's run it. And then here. My name is Basic Coding from Philippines and 1 years old. So if you wanna add your birthday, so is there system? Oh no, my mistake. System that out the print and enter it. Print print and my birthday. Just put there my birthday. say March 2000. And don't forget the always semicolon at the end of it. And also don't forget this one. To. Ang tawag ito? To, pang tuition na to, hindi magra-run na yung program niya. For example, I delete this one. O, diba, nag-redline siya. Pag may redline kasi, ibig sabihin yan, error. So, syntax error. Hindi natin problems. Syntax error inserted to complete the statement. So much accepted this. Oh, diba malagay na punctuation. So, lagyan natin ng punctuation dyan. And then, here's the end. So run it one. Yan. Nagra-run na siya. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. And do subscribe para sa mga other video. Thank you.